Hey guys, it's me Ashley. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that big red button down below that says subscribe on it so you can see more of my videos. So for this week's video, I will be showing you how to do this makeup look. It's the makeup look I wear to dances, to fancy dinners, on vacations. It's just a makeup look that I wear just when I want to be more fancy and dress it up a little bit. And not something that I'll wear every day. So if you're interested, keep watching. Okay, so we have moved to my desk because it's easier for me to do my makeup on my desk with a mirror in front of me, and I have my round one that I got from Dormify. And we are going to get started. So I first started with priming my eyes, and I used two different ones, although for this one, as you'll see, I chose to go with the sparkly one because for more elegant makeup I like to have sparkles on my eyes. The eyeshadow palette I use to do my makeup is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette, and it's my favorite eyeshadow palette, and that is what I'm showing you here. I started by taking the color Compass and applying that all over my eyelid. Next, I took the color Jewel and applied that to the outer corners of my eye. Then I took Escape and blended that into the inner corners of my eye. Finally, I took Tiki and blended a little bit of that all over my eyelid to help the sparkles just be blended in a little bit more. Then I used MAC's Extended Play Last Mascara, which is my favorite mascara, and applied that all over my eyelashes. Then, because my eyelashes are so small and you often can't see them with one layer of mascara, I like to double up, and I use the NYX Voluptuous Mascara to do this. I thought that my eyeshadow wasn't blended enough, so I decided to go in and blend it a little more, and I used the Sephora's small eyeshadow brush. And last but not least, I decided to go ahead and add lipstick, and I used Lancome's Pink to the Club color. It's a nice shimmery pink, and it's also my favorite lipstick. And just like that, your makeup is done. Here's what the final look is supposed to look like. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also please don't forget to hit that big red button down below that says subscribe on it so you can see all of my other videos. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to it so you can be notified every single time that I post a video. Thank you guys so much, and yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Bye.